All right, so for the past 8 weeks, something has been on my mind, and even while I've been here, it has been on my mind. What in the world are we gonna name the trailer? So we have Elmo, we've got Luci. What do we name the trailer? And it dawned on me. Last year, we walked around the pits, we looked at everybody's trailer setups, figured out we did in fact want a gooseneck, right? Every time I saw one that was very nice, very exactly what I wanted, what is the term I used to say? One day. That's literally what I would say, was one day. Well, one day, we've made it. How about that? Good morning and welcome to the third and very possibly the final day of Nmra. So tomorrow it is supposed to come an absolute flood. We're looking at like 80% chance of rain starting at like 8 a.m. and not ending till 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So probably gonna be a wash tomorrow, like I said in the last video. So today we're gonna try to knock all the stuff down except cones, right? So we're gonna try to go to the dyno, make another pull on there, see what the air filter does or doesn't do. Then we're obviously gonna race all day, do autocross. And tonight we get to burn these puppies off. How about that? So we got 2 of them, but I only spent a whole $30 on tires. Had to search around a little bit last week, but hey, 30 bucks worth of tires to cook off for a good show. Yeah, it's gonna be worth it. And we also have some good old LEDs that are gonna be going on the roll cage, multicolor, $29 Amazon purchase. So all in all, we're at like 60 bucks to do this burnout. Pretty expensive if you ask me, but it's gonna be fun. It's once a year and we're up here, get to put on a good show, so we're gonna do it. But anyways, I've gotta get this car warmed up. We gotta get up there. We've gotta do the driver's meeting. Gotta walk the new course, even though it really didn't change much, and just get our day started. And so I will see you guys when we take our first lap. We'll check out this new course together. See you there. Guys, if y'all can't tell, that track is way faster. There is definitely room in there for some really good times, really low times. So we're gonna do our best. Oh man, interesting. They have started to add, I don't know if you can see, started to add construction tape, or caution tape, not construction tape, to keep people walking where I'm driving. Interesting. Anywho, there's some really good times out there. I know there's 38, 39s. We're gonna be able to grab them. So yeah, that's the course. We're just gonna go out there and we're just gonna run, have some fun. And then in a couple hours, it's Burnout City. Well, let's go. Alright guys, so you probably won't believe this until I show you the video here in a second, but there is a super performance Ford GT kit car that is actually running out here. That car I just went up, told him, hey man, it's a super cool car. What's a man gotta do to run in it? He said, well, next run, come find me. So he's running this round with somebody, and then the next round is with me. So we're gonna grab the GoPro after this run and we are gonna go find him. We are definitely taking a run in that car. When you have the opportunity, you do not say no, right? So now I'm just excited to get this run over with, just to get over into that car. So let's go do it. All right, guys, so you're probably not ready for this, but look at this gorgeous thing.
Right, that is a 90.
That thing is beautiful, and we are about to get in this thing, take it for a rip. What else is there to say? Let's get to it. There's not much more to say. This thing is just awesome. This thing is absolutely awesome. Dan, I really appreciate it, man. Very appreciate it. All right, now we get to go play the slow car again. All right, so we went and tried to get into the dyno, had to put our name on a wait list. They have signed all the waivers that they are going to run today. And basically, if no one shows up to run their run, then they're going to go down the wait list, and I am number 6th. So probably not going to get in today. Not seeing how we're about to go back to do autocross, and we've got the burnout competition. So that may be one of those things we have to knock off. Man, it's loud, ain't it? But anyways, yeah, we're probably gonna have to knock off the dyno today, which is all right. We kind of know what it makes. I don't think it's gonna make all that much of a difference. But right now, all we gotta go do, we're gonna go walk swap meet, go walk the vendor area, possibly get me a new helmet. This one's kind of dingy. It's been through some miles, right? So we gotta get a new helmet. Then it's back to racing, then it's burnout time. God, I cannot wait. Cannot wait. See y'all in a little bit. All right, guys. So we are about to head up right now to the burnout competition. And as you can tell, we've got the top up because it is raining. So just like Cletus and Cars, we're gonna be on a wet pad. So we're gonna have to get some wheel speed out of this thing to make something happen. But other than that, check this thing out. Y'all aren't ready for this. We got us a new red and black race quip helmet. So the Conqueror that I had, it was all right. It got the job done, but it's 3 years old. It's starting to show its age as far as me putting it on, sweating, this, that, and the other. You can't take the padding out. So I definitely wanted to trade in and get something that had padding that could be washed, and this one can. So couple $100, we're in a new helmet, but bright red. Now all we got to do is start throwing some black stickers on it. But right now, we're going up for the driver's meeting. Hopefully it quits raining. Y'all say a prayer real quick. That's all I got to say, because I need it to dry up. So let's go after it. Let's get to it. goes nothing. That's a challenge, Spencer.
Oh, that's a challenge.
That's a challenge, man.
All right, well, let's see what you got. What's your name, buddy?
Alex Hunter.
Alex, where'd you build this thing out of?
Portland, Tennessee.
So Alex, are you willing to destroy the rear tires to win this thing?
Absolutely. I don't know if he remembers Cletus and Cars in Bradenton. We actually had this car down there, popped the tires through shrapnel.
Hell yeah. So this car is no stranger to burnout competition.
No.
He made his way to the Freedom Factory, was able to pop both tires.
So, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. All you got to remember, though, is we don't do stagnant burnouts. You just got to keep it rolling, Australian style.
Yes, sir.
60 seconds. At the end of 60 seconds, you're going to see this red flag waving. You're going to hear horns and everything like that. Stop. Don't be that guy. All right?
Absolutely.
All right, so giddy up is keep eyes on me. Once I point at you, be a rock star.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So that did not make as much smoke as I had hoped. That was not all that much. So guys, like I said, that smoke, which you'll see, it wasn't all of the amount I was hoping for. I figured we were gonna have a little bit more than that, but I will take what we can get. It's a little wet, so that had something to contribute to it. Fed it third gear a couple times, didn't really like that. As usual, it doesn't really like that in a burnout, but we're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna cool it down. I don't know if that was enough. This guy definitely, in the truck, he definitely had some stuff going on. He had a lot of smoke, a lot of weight, a lot of speed. Pretty good driver, but I don't know. We'll see if that was enough. Who knows? But anyways, we'll check right back in. All right, guys, so I got some really exciting news. I actually got sent right back out here. Don't know what that means, but we will see. So he told me to come back out here. What am I out here for? Do I need to go up there? Or? All right. Yes, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for Alex Hunter, runner-up in the burnout contest.
Sweet.
$250, dude. You gave it your
man.
all. What a great job. Thanks, brother.
Hey, thank you. And I want to give a big shout out to my fiance. We're getting married next Sunday. and I'm here, and I've been here since Thursday, and she's not making me go home. So everybody give her a round of applause, please.
Cheering section over here was doing their job too, brother.
Yeah, much appreciation for them too.
That's awesome.
Well, guys, we did it. We actually made something happen. All right, guys, so I just actually saw Vaughn for the first time, and he said, yeah, definitely come see me. We're about to go back up here and meet him. His cars are up here getting tires put on. We're gonna jump in. She's gonna do some video, and yeah, we're gonna go slide around a little bit. I have never been in a drift car in my life, so this is gonna be new for me. So we'll see what it's all about. That was sick!
There we go.
Alright guys, so I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow, but I'm like 99% sure it is going to rain tomorrow. 10th anniversary of me coming to Nmra, and it has been a freaking day. It is time to call it a video here because we're gonna go sit. I need to chill. It has just been a crazy, crazy day. GT40'S, autocross. Oh man, then we get to go drift with Vaughn, win the burnout competition, well, second place. Still, hey, I got money out of it, it's all right. So now we get to go home on Monday and sit down on Holley's website and find some stuff to buy. Yeah.
Were you?
Oh man, I can't get over it. We got CSP Designs here, if y'all remember from Autocross, God knows how long ago that was at Twin Fountains. He's here, but
Did they let you record while you were in there with Vaughn?
yeah, they did, definitely. Yes,
that's
y'all
awesome.
definitely saw that.
There
but,
we go.
But yeah, oh my God, what a freaking day. So, like I said, we're gonna go back here, we're gonna relax, and we're gonna call it a day. I'm just, oh man, oh man.
Get on your feet and make some noise for the last burnout contender.